Now, Sid and I like to be healthy and eat healthy, and not always easy when you're on the road and you meet up with people that you've met, 5 o'clock drinkies, out come the heavy cheeses, dips, chips, things like that. So I've come up with an adaptation of the hummus dip that you buy in stores, because quite frankly I find that often dry and just a little bit boring. This is a really delicious way to prepare it and healthy. So I've got a large tub of hummus dip. You can buy the 2 small ones if you can't find the large. Scrape that into a medium-sized bowl. Squeeze of some lemon, and really you can adjust these to your personal taste as always. Really good squeeze of garlic, as I've mentioned earlier, or many times before. I do love my garlic. This is where these tubes come into their own. So this one is garlic paste. You can also buy chunky garlic. Sprinkle of paprika, probably about half a teaspoon. Little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put a capful in, or maybe half a capful. Some pepper. A little bit of salt. That's what it looks like before you blend it. I'm just going to mix it up with a fork. I did have one here handy. Who stole my fork? There it is. It's in my hummus dip. And just really give that a good stir around. You can taste it now to see if the seasoning's right, but it will infuse in the refrigerator for an hour and be stronger. So don't make the mistake of thinking that it's not tasty enough and adding more, because once you've left it for half an hour or so, it will be stronger. And that's delicious. Now I'm going to cover that with Glad wrap and leave it in the refrigerator for at least an hour to let all those flavours blend in together. Now, if you want a really, really healthy snack, serve this with crudities like chopped up carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, things like that, and some rice crackers. And that's a beautiful healthy snack or dip or something to take to a party.
Crudities? Isn't that something you get in a Playboy centrefold?
That's rudities.
Oh.
And they're banned.
Right.
Enjoy anyway.